The AT688 Insulation Resistance Tester features dual display of insulation resistance and leakage current. The instrument can measure the insulation resistance of various electronic components, equipment, insulating materials, and wires and cables, etc. Panel button introduction. Measurement display page is mainly used to display measurement results, test status and sorting results. At the same time, on this page, settings can be made for 5 common functions, which include voltage, set the voltage at the output end of the instrument, speed, test speed, range, select the test range, charging, set the charging time, timing, set the timing mode of the charging timer. Under automatic range mode, some devices may fail to select the correct range. This is a normal phenomenon. Simply switch to the locked range for testing. When measuring leakage current, it is recommended to use the locked range. All the settings related to measurement can be operated on the settings page. The settings for voltage, speed, range, charging, and timing can also be made on the measurement display page. After the contact inspection function is turned off, the instrument will no longer make judgments on conductive materials, but will directly test the values. The instrument has 4 triggering methods, and the trigger edge is only effective when triggered externally. The instrument can compare the measured resistance values. The reference values for comparison are input within the upper and lower limits. The upper limit can be disabled. The alarm function is only effective when the comparator function is enabled. The alarm settings allow for qualified alarm, unqualified alarm, or disabling of the alarm. When the instrument is in the testing mode, it takes one sample result, then automatically switches to the discharge mode, and the source internal resistance can be selected to be either on or off. On the main page of MEAS or Setup, click System Configuration to enter the System Configuration page. The System Configuration page includes the following settings: language, date or time settings, account settings, baud rate settings, command handshake, result sending. All the settings on the System Configuration page will be automatically saved in the system and will be loaded automatically when the system is restarted next time. Press the Setup key, then press the U-Disk Storage function key to enter the U-Disk Storage page. The detailed operation instructions will be explained separately later. When triggered externally, press the buttons manually to save to the U-Disk. There is a Home function key, which includes open circuit reset, test, discharge, and keyboard lock. USB disk usage. Insert the USB drive. The instrument will display that the USB disk is ready. Click on the measurement settings and you will enter the USB settings page. Click Create New Record, set the custom file name, and then confirm. The new record has been successfully created. Select the New File option to open. At the bottom of the page, there is a message indicating successful opening. Subsequent measurement data will be saved in this file. This is an external trigger. Each measurement data needs to be manually saved by the operator to a USB drive. All the settings in the video are based on the object being tested in this case. For actual measurement settings, please have the operator set them as needed. After the test is completed, press the button to discharge, which will stop the measurement. Then modify the content of the USB flash drive settings page. We choose to open another file, set the autosave interval to 2 seconds, and now it is set to internal trigger. At this point, the measurement data will be automatically saved to the USB flash drive according to the autosave time interval. Return to the test page. The key press test has begun. Notice the change in the file location for saving data. After all the tests are completed, close the files and remove the USB drive. The saved data files can be viewed on the computer. Please note that the USB drive should be formatted as FAT32. Perform an open circuit zeroing operation on the instrument. To achieve high precision measurements, zeroing calibration is necessary. Press Press the button to clear the zero value. When the prompt text appears, remove the test cable, then press the button to confirm. Once the progress bar is completed, the zero value clearing is done. Simulation demonstration. The components being measured in this demonstration are two standard resistance values and a short circuit piece. Before the measurement parameters need to be set as required. The measurement results showing qualified, unqualified, and short circuit are respectively displayed. For the complete test procedure, please refer to the video.